In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a virtual environment in Visual Studio Code so that you can install packages such as Discord or Telegram or Pandas in your Python projects. So the very first thing we're going to do is create a new folder somewhere on our computer, and I'm going to name this folder. And this is the folder that's going to contain our Python project. And once you have that folder, you can just drag it into Visual Studio Code. And inside here, we're going to tap on New File and create main.py. And click on Create File. So we can type in our Python code. Now in this example, I'm using Python 3.11, which I've already installed. And in case you don't have a Python interpreter selected, go down here and select the Python interpreter that you want to use. At the moment, if you were to type in something such as print hello, and you were to save and run this, it's going to print hello in the console. But what if we want to use some functionality from an external package, such as from Discord? Usually in a lot of tutorials, you're going to notice that they're going to type in pip install Discord, but in Visual Studio Code, we're going to get this error that the command was not found, and it's going to say pip. So why is that? The reason behind this is that we're trying to install it in a place that does not make sense. Pip cannot be found in the place we're trying to install this. We're just in a normal folder that knows nothing about pip. And this is not where you manage your packages. So what we need to do is first clear everything from here so we can have a nice clean terminal. And next we're going to use a command to create a virtual environment. And this is going to be different between Mac and Windows. So on Mac, you're going to want to type in Python 3. On Windows, you just want to type in Python. But here we're going to type in Python 3 because I'm on Mac. Then we're going to use -m venv.venv. And then tap on Enter. And it's going to create a new virtual environment for us. And you're also going to get this pop-up message down here that says, do you want to use the new environment for your workspace folder? And we're going to click on yes. And it's going to change Python 3.11 to Python 3.11 virtual environment. In case you missed that message and you're still on Python 3.11, you can just tap on this and change it to the virtual environment. Now, does that mean we can type in pip install Discord now? And the answer is no. As you might have noticed, we're still in the same folder. We're not in the virtual environment just yet. Even though we've selected it down here, we need to kill this terminal and we need to start a new one just by running the script again. And this time you should notice that just by running it with the virtual environment, it's going to activate it and it's going to put us inside that virtual environment. So right now it says .venv and then it has our folder name. And I'm going to clear this once again, so that you can see that at this point, we can finally install packages because we are inside the virtual environment. So if we type in something such as pip install Discord, it's finally going to install it using pip. And inside the virtual environment folder, there's a library folder and you can actually verify that you've installed it. So here we have Discord inside the folder. And because of that, we can also just import Discord and we can use everything from the Discord package. So now that we have a virtual environment, you can install any package you want. And that's actually all it took to create a virtual environment in Visual Studio Code. So with all that being said, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.